Okay, if I'm gonna be a future world leader, or like, a leader here in the Philippines, this is how I'm gonna structure my government based in astrology. So people will resonate with me, especially yung mga healed zodiac signs. Okay, you will understand this. Capricorns are born leaders. So Capricorn will be the leader or head of state. Libra, I will place them sa justice system. Okay? You know why, right? Especially if healed ang Libras, they are very fair. Unevolved and unhealed Libras, they will receive karma anyway if they mishandle their power. Okay? So my core power, zodiac signs. Leo, obviously, you want the spotlight, you want to be the center of attention, so you will handle the public relations, you'll be the figurehead, since you want to, act in a certain way where, it's pleasing to the eye. Maayos kayo sa pananamit, you love fashion, you love looking good. Okay? But, syempre pag evolved, fair din kayo. Okay? Syempre, ilalagay ko yung mga evolved. Hold on. Syempre, ang pipiliin ko yung mga evolved. Hindi pwedeng unhealed ang ilagay natin kasi magkakagulo. Para saan pa na mag-structure ako ng government if unevolved yung mga ilalagay ko dyan. So, syempre, magkakaroon ng screening at hindi nila ako pwedeng lokohin kasi the universe will show me. Okay? So, Scorpio, since mahilig kayong mag-stalk, when you're obsessed about something, you dig deeper. So, I'll place you sa intelligence and security. Okay? You will all be my CCTV. And yung psychic gifts nyo, okay? Nagkakaroon kayo ng premonition of what's gonna happen. So, system and order. I'm gonna place Virgo, healed and evolved Virgo. Kasi, ang shadow side ng Virgos, they are tapped in more into their addictions. Any addiction, okay? So, mahirap. Pero tedious and may OCD kasi ang mga Virgo. So, health and administration. Dahil OC kayo, ewan ko, sa mga nakilala kong Virgo din, masyadong OC, masyadong kailangan malinis. Kailangan malinis. Parang healed na Libra, kailangan maayos, hindi pwedeng magulo. Ayaw nila ng ganon, okay? Sa mga so, syempre importante sa health natin na hygienic tayo, okay? And they will manage the health care department. So, Taurus naman, economy and resources. Tauruses are very resourceful. They love food, okay? Sa economy and agriculture sila ilalagay. Okay? They know how to handle those kinds of things. Medyo may pagka-old school sila. So, they want a system wherein kailangan structured din ang mga Taurus. Parang, hindi, kasi fixed sign sila eh. So, pag may in-implement silang structure, gusto nila magsistick sila doon. And, it's gonna help boost our economy and agriculture. Okay? Growth and expansion. Sa Sagittariuses, foreign affairs and education, we have to maximize their adventure side. Okay? If matravel sila, yung knowledge nila about foreign affairs, they know how it works. And education, Sagittarius loves learning. So it's gonna help our country or globally, syempre, in my dreams, 'di ba? Kung magiging global leader ako, pero it's a big responsibility. So if someday there's a chance, if I'm gonna lead this country, this is gonna be my government structure. Okay, sa Aquariuses, you guys love innovation and technology. Okay, your mind is outside of the box. You don't box yourself. You don't limit your mind. Okay? Tapped in din kayo sa spirituality. There are ideas that are out of this world. So, I'm gonna put you sa innovation and technology. Okay? So, you can teach us how to expand our minds. So, action and movement. Aries. Of course, we have to channel and maximize your temper instead of just fighting innocent people when you're mad, or, channel it or transmute it sa mga hindi naman useful na bagay at makaka-affect sa chaos. Kaya I'm training you guys now. I'm gonna need you sa military defense. Okay? So, i-channel natin yan kasi 'di ba ang advice ko sa inyo mga Aries, go and do sports, channel your temper instead of hurting others physically, emotionally, or whatever. You'll be the military defense. Okay? You have a big responsibility, so you have a lot of energy to channel. Geminis, you guys are ruled ng Mercury. Confirmation, communication and media ko kayo ilalagay, and you can't be biased. This is how we can maximize the power of Gemini. Ang Gemini, hindi yan two-faced, okay? Kapag unhealed and unevolved, yes, they can use their strength to manipulate. Any zodiac sign naman ganon. Okay? Pero ang maganda sa Gemini, hindi siya nakastick sa bias niya. Meron siyang dark and light na tinatapin para nakagitna siya. Okay? Unevolved lang naman yung gagamit ng mali sa psychic gifts and sa power. And meron silang remote viewing. Okay? So, communications and media, mafe-filter po kung ano yung fake news sa hindi. Okay? So, kailangan may duality ang ating communication and media. Hindi pwedeng bias. I'm giving you the secret, the key to this country on how we can, expand and succeed. So, no politicians can use this idea. I'm claiming this. Okay? This is not from ego, okay? So, malalaman nyo naman kung ginamit to sa masama or whatever. Society and culture. Cancer signs, you are very nurturing, social welfare and housing. You want people to be at home, to feel at home. Yung social welfare, you think that your purpose is to take care of other people. So, it's a perfect, balance of loving and caring for others and serving others. Pero again, dapat healed ang ilalagay dito. Kasi ang mga Cancer signs are very manipulative pag healed and very selfish. Throat chakra blockage. And last but not the least, are Pisces. Pisces are very spiritual. They're tapped in. They're very dreamy. They're very artistic. So again, I'm gonna put them sa arts, spirituality, and healing. Okay? They have this magic of healing others like Virgos. Okay? So Virgo and Pisces can work together sa health and arts and spirituality. Okay? Sa military defense and intelligence, ang Scorpio at Aries ang pwedeng mag-work together. Okay? So, ang core strength ng magiging administration ko or government structure ko, okay? Capricorns will build the system. If I'm gonna be the president, since I'm a Capricorn, I'm gonna build the system like this. I'm gonna position the right people. Okay? And Libra will keep it fair. Siyempre, kakarmahin din sila if parang i-manipulate nila yung power nila for selfishness. Aquarius will evolve it kasi we need innovation and technology. Cancer signs will protect and nurture, okay, our country. Aries will defend it. Aries are ride or die kapag love ka nila. And, syempre, pipiliin ko yung mga may pagmamahal sa country. So, I hope this helps. Marami pa akong gustong ichika, but this will be my government structure if I'm gonna be the future leader.